Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. I think it's very important that folks understand that when they get involved in a workers' compensation claim, and you are, presumably if you're watching this or about to be, you've gotten hurt at work, your body hurts in some form or fashion. You've reported it to your employer, hopefully within 30 days, or about to if you're watching this before then. And you need to understand that in a workers' compensation case, you did not do anything wrong, probably, okay? And even if the injury was your fault, it's okay, as long as you weren't in the influence of drugs and alcohol within a certain time frame, and that's a separate conversation, and you weren't involved in horseplay, then regardless of whose fault the injury is, it is potentially a compensable workers' compensation case, meaning a case that happened at work and benefits potentially should be owed to you depending upon how your case fits in. But also what you need to understand that in the high percentages of workers' compensation case, things don't go smoothly. And your employer and the insurance company are going to try to fight back. And if they don't fight back right off the bat, they'll fight back down the road when they're faced with a surgery cost or the fact that you're going to be out of work for a period of time. And what ultimately happens in most cases is that unfortunately your employer doesn't treat you the same. Now, it might not be your direct boss that's giving you a problem, but it could be your boss's boss, or it could be coming from corporate headquarters, or it could be coming from the insurance adjuster. You're not going to be treated the same. Your pay scale may get reduced, and they may not say that they're going to pay you temporary partial benefits if you can come back to work for part-time of your day, or pay you at a lesser value, and they say, oh, tough, that's just what you're going to get. Well, that's not right. You may be entitled to temporary partial benefits, or you're sent home because they don't have a light-duty job and nobody contacts you for 3 weeks and you have no pay, and how are you supposed to feed your family? These are some of the little things that go on. Then you get to a doctor who says you need surgery, and all of a sudden your boss treats you like he's never or she's never seen you before, despite the fact that 2 months ago you were the best employee they had at that particular employer. You need to understand that things are going to change when you get hurt at work, whether it's your fault or not your fault. The employer no longer can count on you to do the job that they hired you to do. You're not as profitable as you were before, and that's what's frustrating to them. And now the insurance company has to get involved and open up another claim on you, and they're not happy about it either. And it's going to cost money. You need to understand that you have basically gotten yourself into a situation now. Again, it is what it is. You can't change the fact that you got hurt. So now you have to realize what it means going forward. Now you have to realize that it is going to be difficult. Now you have to realize that your employer may not treat you properly. You may not get your benefits timely. The doctors that you see may not want to believe you, may not give you the orders that you need to get to go get an MRI or to not be working and restrictions. You need to understand that in your personal life, things are going to change at home because of your pain levels, your inability to do things, and your spouse getting upset with you, or your children, or your parent, or whatever the case may be. We are here to help you with that. It is scary to have to go through this by yourself, knowing that the insurance company's out there trying to potentially take advantage of you, and your employer is not treating you the way you need to be treated. Give us a call. We're happy to speak with you about your situation, counsel you through it, get you the benefits that you need, and get your case resolved for you in a proper and timely manner. I'm happy to help you and give you my advice over the years. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to do so is on the screen. I also invite you to call me directly if you have been injured on the job and need an honest and realistic opinion regarding your case or details regarding the law. I can be reached at 770-351-0801 or email me at jodiginsberglaw@gmail.com. Thanks.